Hello, my YouTube friend. It's Sunday, and usually Sunday's a little bit less busy than Saturday, so I'm able to do a little bit more work in the store. I believe two of my regular customers, Gio and Timothy, are both coming in today to trade. I think Gio wants store credit, and Timothy, I think he just needs to sell some stuff. So I'm going to do that today, try to get through those. Both kind of smallest collections, you know, 20 or 30 pops each. And then I'm going to try to clean up because I also have a larger collection coming in later today that I'm going to work on tomorrow. And I think that's like a $5,000 collection. It's going to be a lot of work. So let's get in the store and start doing some work.
What's up, guys? Welcome to PopFuzz, #1 Funko Pop show in New York.
Gio's one of my regular customers. He's awesome. And he's going to be trading in a bunch of pops today to get some that he wanted, right?
Always.
What do you have on hold? Oh, this one's awesome. Yeah, I would have kept this one, but I'm trying not to keep anything. That's it?
That's it?
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So Gio has these two on hold, which this one I really wanted to keep. So I'm really happy it's going to Gio. And now I'm going to have to go through his collection and figure out how much credit. I think he has plenty of credit for these, and he'll probably have more to spend later. This collection ended up being worth about $300. I'm going to give Gio $225 in credit. There's a couple things I had to adjust the price just because they're new releases and PPG is way off on these three. But he said that was totally cool. Just because you can still buy them online for like 15 bucks, 10 bucks. But yeah, lots of fun stuff. I think I'm going to condense all these boxes just so that's not so many on the floor, just to make a little bit more space on here. Let me get to that. Let's see, I ended up condensing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. So we sold 150 pops. That's a lot. And it looks like we're already, no, I guess one just got pulled out of the box. All right, let me get rid of these boxes, then I'll find something else to work on. All right, I got in a little debate with one of my customers about the rock being the wrong, you know, the chase is supposed to be the orange one, and the orange one, is, you know, that's the chase, and the black one is supposed to be con because he matches the box. I'm pretty sure he is the chase. If I look at the Funko app itself, so actual Funko, they mark the black one as the chase. And when I look at the stills, it says he's the chase, but the guy said he bought a case of 6 and the orange one was marked chase and the black ones, there was 5. Let me know if you guys know if they switched it up in a later printing or if you know something about it. Because I'm very curious about it. I'm confident that that is the correct chase, but I don't know if there's another version that I have to look out for. All right, I decided just to put the boxes in the front since I need them tomorrow. I'm here with my neighbor Timothy. He's selling me a bunch of pops. And where you get? He's going to do a little bit of a trade too. Was that the Beta Ray Bill? Beta Ray Bill. That's a cool pop. I actually don't own that pop. I'm kind of sad it's going, but I'm glad it's going to Timothy because he's a cool guy. All right, let me start pricing out his collection. I'll show you guys what I got from him. All right, this is the first batch of stuff from Timothy. Some really awesome ones. I am going to keep the Samurai Jack one. It's not really expensive. And I'll kick myself if that goes up in value and I don't have it because I absolutely love Samurai Jack. But yeah, there's some cool anime stuff in there that's always needed. Demon Slayer is very popular. That's a really cool Deadpool. I need that one, but I'm going to try to sell it for now. That's the first batch. Let me get the next batch. All right, another batch of awesome stuff from Timothy. Really good vision. And Pietro Maxoff is cool. We've had a lot of people ask for WandaVision pops. So I'm happy to see that. And a couple more Demon Slayer pops. Those are awesome. So yeah, more cool stuff for the shop. And then one more little stack of pops from Timothy. Good to have more anime stuff. There's a fun little batch of stuff from Timothy. I also bought another pile of stuff from one of my regulars. Let me show you those pops. All right, the first batch of stuff, there's a lot of Overwatch pops from the box that they put out at the beginning of the year. Those are cool. We have some cool Star Wars stuff, some anime stuff. So yeah, some pretty awesome pops for the shop. There was a really awesome Hikari. I'm actually going to keep that too. I'm doing such a bad job not keeping everything. But there's 2 more here that I would actually keep. So the Hikaris, I absolutely love them, and I think they're undervalued. So I don't want to rush to sell that. It's going for about 30, 35 right now. I think one day it'll be worth a lot more than that. But yeah, really cool stuff. And this one, someone else traded in. They just wanted to store credit. So that was cool. I do think I need that Vanya, but for now, I'll sell all those, just keeping that one. Right. I wanted to mention, a lot of people are asking to buy stuff from me, which I would love to be able to sell to every single person that watches videos. This time of year, during the spring when the store is super busy, I just don't have any spare time to package up stuff. People have said they'll pay for it and let me just take my time to ship. I just do not have any time at all for that. And a lot of the stuff that people are asking to buy from me is stuff that's selling anyway, so I don't need extra sales to try to get to sell. If you ask me to buy something that maybe I don't think I'll sell, I'll work it out. I'll figure it out, because it will help me sell something that I don't know if I'll sell in the shop. But if it's like a hot new Grail pop or just a very popular pop, it's going to sell for me either way. So I don't have the time to spend an extra 20 minutes packaging it up. But I'm hoping one day I'll be able to do some kind of like claim sale live stream kind of thing, because I do want to make it easier for everyone to get something, because I know you guys love watching and seeing the videos, and you see cool stuff that you want, and I feel bad that I'm not able to ship it all out to you, which one day hopefully I can. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to take all the boxes here, and yeah, I just put all the stuff I was buying into the boxes. So I'm going to try to store all this onto the wall, so that this coming week, everything that's in boxes will be the new collections I start processing tomorrow. But yeah, the shelves are pretty full right now. But we sold a whole ton of pops this weekend. I just want to get a little bit more organized. This week, I want to start tackling the clutter. Maybe spend half an hour a day. Just dedicate a little bit of time. And just the stuff that's tedious and hard to deal with, I want to work on that. Also, these are just supplies. So I got to find a way to put this like on the bottom shelf and not have it so far on top there. Just make it look better. I still have Elizabeth's collection to go through, which I said last video I would do today, but I meant I would do it on Monday. So this will be Monday's project. I'm going to start digging through these. We're going to have a ton of fun. That's probably going to be a long video. And I think there's just going to be a lot of really cool stuff in this collection. All right. My neighbor who sells to me pretty often, he traded in a whole pile of Moon Knight comic books. These are super cool. And then I really like these. These are Abandoned Places magazines, where it just shows old haunted looking buildings and dilapidated places. I thought these were super cool. I'm gonna put this out for probably like $5 an issue. The Moon Knight comics I'm probably keeping, but I figure someone might be interested in these. I think these are kind of neat. Just ghost hunting. Oh, and a fun cat magazine. Abandoned Places. Kind of cool stuff, honestly. Oh, and an encyclopedia of horror. That is neat as well. Alright, so Mike just dropped off his stuff. He said he forgot 1 box, so there's going to be more than this. But this looks like less than I thought it was going to be, so I'm going to be able to handle that. So tomorrow, I'm going to work on that. My wife said, what the F is this? And I think it's a mattress box full of Funko Pops. So that's going to be a lot. And actually, probably a lot more than you think it is, because it's probably about 90 there. Or at least 60. So I got Elizabeth's Pops and Mike's Pops. I'm going to have a long day tomorrow. Tomorrow's video is going to be a long video of me digging through boxes. Digging through boxes is always fun. All right, I feel like I need to take a quick look in this giant box, because it's a giant box and it's calling my name. All right, giant box of Funko Pops. Let's see what we got. Okay. All right. I don't know if I know what's in the collection. I think I just know the value. I mean, that's a cool one. Oh, is this no, that's Miami Vice. I thought that was a different one. But yeah, it looks like there's some fun stuff here. We have Dracula. Love that. Oh, it's the Chase. That is cool. And oh, every collection I get has like 5 of these now. Very common pop. Professor X. Is this the new one or the old one? No, that's the newer one. We have the Bill Murray zombie. I love that one. That one is super cool. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow we'll dig through this box and take a better look of all the different pops in here. All right, awesome. It was a busy day today, but I had a ton of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.